Yep. My precious.
Sam, what are you doing? You frightened Tater Tots.
I'm Super Samuel the Invincible. I'm training to save the princess.
Which princess?
It's like Super Mario in real life. Why do I need to explain everything?
Oh, Super Mario in real life. That's actually cool. I was just thinking of a new idea for a maze for Tater Tots. Let's make it.
My ideas are always cool, just like me.
Hello, guys. Today we're going to make something very interesting for Tater Tots. Sammy, where are you?
Hello. Guess who I am?
What's wrong with you?
What? You don't recognize the most famous mustache in the world?
Is it Albert Einstein's? Charlie Chaplin?
Who? No, he's the first game character in the world. If you guess who it is, write in the comments right now.
Oh, I got it. Mario!
Oh, indeed.
It's hard to recognize him with this mustache. Guys, look. We need to make 6 more boxes of different sizes based on this model. Putting it together carefully. And done! Very easy. Here are all our pieces. For now, they're just plain cardboard, but very soon…
So, did you know that Mario's favorite dishes are pizza and spaghetti? What a strange choice.
Wait, you don't mean to say that you don't like pizza and spaghetti?
Well, what's this?
The blocks and platforms that Mario jumps on.
I see, but I think something's missing.
What could it be? Attention, a moment of magic. Whoosh! Ta-da! Does everyone remember how to work with the cutter?
I do. That's why I'm watching you attentively so you don't get hurt.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. I never doubted you. I feel very safe. Done! We need to make several more staircase blocks of different sizes. I've prepared 2 beforehand. Sam, look!
Oh, sorry. I can't. Something just happened.
Sammy, something happens to him all the time. But I can't stop the process now because lots of interesting things are waiting for us. Our background is ready. We should only add some colors to the blocks. This way. Guys, remember to protect your workplace while coloring with spray paint. They're so bright now. Are you happy, Sammy? Sammy, it's your favorite step. Huh. Oh, Sammy, what happened?
What happened? My mustache had an accident. I wanted to fix it with glue, and guess what? It got stuck permanently.
Let me see.
Hurts! I need to do something.
Maybe it can fall off by itself someday?
Very funny, Miss Susie.
Oopsie. Seems Sam is upset. I need to cheer him up. Guys, do you have any ideas? Write your suggestions in the comments.
My artistic sense is telling me that it's time to use ordinary paints.
And as usual, your sense was right.
Wow, it looks fantastic. I want to do it too.
Of course, Sammy. Anything to cheer you up.
I wasn't ever down.
All right, while Sam's working with paints, I'll finish drawing with the marker.
Sue! We forgot the pipe.
Don't worry, Sammy. Everything is under control. Our Mario pipe is almost ready.
Susie, can I color it?
Of course, Sammy. What color do you choose?
Bright green.
Perfect. Here you are.
We'll be done in a second.
Meanwhile, I'll start making the maze. Every block has its place. We need to make the maze passable. Otherwise, what's the point, right? Guys, do you like playing games with mazes? Give a thumbs up if you do. Let's not forget our wonderful staircases. This way. Perfect!
Also, let's not forget our wonderful pipes.
Good job, Sammy. Let's attach them to their places. I almost forgot. I've got a special task for you.
Oh, wow, that's interesting.
Do it, please, while I'm assembling the side walls of the maze. Samuel!
beauty I made. The task is, almost completed.
And the wrappings, are they part of the task?
Yes, I call it Super Mario Candy Wrapper Kingdom.
Let's better clean up here and make a classic Mario maze.
All right.
Every maze has to have walls. Otherwise, what would be the point, right? This way.
Walls mean there's also an entrance and an exit. Otherwise, what's the point, right?
Sammy! Okay, give them here. I need to attach them. The entrance and the exit. The next super important pieces are magnetic fixtures for the maze. We need 4 of them. They go at the top and at the bottom.
Wow, fantastic! We've almost created Super Mario in real life. Susie! Where did she go?
Sammy! Oh, he always vanishes when I need his help.
Susie!
Sam, I'm here!
I've been looking all over for you. Listen, you won't believe it. Mario had a mustache only because it looks better than a mouth in game graphics.
Oh, so there was no need for all that mustache mess.
Guys, do you know any interesting facts about Super Mario? Tell us in the comments.
We made holes with the drill to let the air inside for Tater Tots.
Guys! Oh, I'm so happy with the job we've done.
Hey, Sammy, now it's done.
Oh, Susie, it's amazing! Now I'm just like Mario. Where did she go again? I really can't wait. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3.
Go, Tater Tots!
Look, she found the pipe.
But she was right to leave it behind. Come on, Tater Tots!
Yeah, just a perfect time for cleaning. Tater Tots, you should go find the castle.
Aww. Come on, girl, you can do it. I believe in you.
Oh. Tater Tots! Tater Tots! Tater Tots! Feels like I'm really playing the video game, but this is way more cool.
I agree with you. It seems Tater Tots likes it too.
Almost there.
Tater Tots! Tater Tots! Yay! Well done! Guys, subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. Sam, I think she liked it. Sammy?
Oopsie. Yeah, give a thumbs up and bye-bye.